go ahead and put this together. I'm just going to match up the top and the bottom as closely as possible. I could remove this here, but I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just using duct tape here. I could actually use aluminized duct tape like you use in HVAC systems, but it's not really necessary since you're going to be cutting it probably every few months anyways to change it. And there it is. It's very crude. Let's do a little bit of a test here and see what kind of intake airflow that it has. So I'm going to go ahead and light a piece of paper towel here and blow it out, get some smoke going here. And you see it's pulling the smoke through quite well. And there's not a whole lot of smoke going into it, you know, to tell if it's being filtered out or not. But I mean, it's really hard to say without a major smoke generator. But as you can see, it's definitely pulling the smoke in there. And that's in no way to demonstrate the ability of it to filter out smoke, though it's supposed to. That's just to demonstrate that it actually is pulling a lot of air through the filter. So I need to put this out before I burn my shop down. But simply put here, all I did is I just taped around here with duct tape. You can see on the sides and on the bottom. And then I taped the corners off here to reduce leakage. There's not much I can do here about leakage coming back into the fan unless I did some sort of framework, which I'm not going to mess with that.